we are going to mop and clean, scrub down these floors. These floors are getting really nasty and we need to clean them. So let's go do that. I'm not ready for another day. Look at what I woke up to. What Nathan and I woke up to. I don't even know how to clean this up. Like, I haven't even looked at how far it goes. Oh my word. Oh my word. This is so bad. How am I supposed to clean this up? But, funny thing, can you see how clean this section of the floor is compared to, you know, this section? Or that section? I think I'm gonna save the detergent because I'm gonna seriously clean these floors. While cleaning up laundry detergent that had fallen, I discovered that it is a very good cleaner of floors. So that is what we're going to use to clean these floors, particularly because we had half a jug of laundry detergent and we didn't want to waste it. It took us a little bit to try to figure out how to exactly do this because when I was doing it before, I was just trying to clean up the mess that was left in our laundry room. Wow, just look at the difference. So here's how we ended up doing it. We started by adding a little bit of water to the soap and we poured it on a section of the floor. Then Nathan would scrub the floor and I would come up after him when I saw the bubbles turn a dark color and mop up the floor with a towel. I would then spray the area with the cleaner and mop it up with a real mop. It was so satisfying to see our progress. So is there a cleaner out there that could do the job better or just as well? Oh, probably, but I didn't want to waste the soap and it worked really well and it really did not take all that long. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. When you do, it really helps me out. Thanks for watching!